crap is he at? Rocks. Hey! What are you doing? Rocks. Why are you digging in Daddy's gravel? Put the shovel down, please. Oh, he's weird. Rocks. I bet she ate every bit of that deer meat. Daddy, what are you doing? Pooped. You pooped outside or you need to poop inside? Don't crap on the steps. Hold up. Oh, gosh, it's going to rain the rest of the week. Baby, I'm hunting Saturday. You here? Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Yeah, I didn't like that there either.